Hello everyone, this is Dhanani, the founder of the White Door. So if any of you all are concerned about your nail extensions, then my suggestion would be to do nothing other than using a nail clipper. Cut them short, file them right, and that's it. You're good to go. Please make sure you do not buff them, you do not peel them off, because that will definitely damage your nails. By any chance, if your gel polish is coming off from the cuticle side of your nail, then don't peel it off again. Just cover it with a band-aid and let it grow out. That's about it. And if you all have any other concerns, please DM us.